In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera in Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're using a built-in laptop webcam, an external USB camera, or even a virtual camera, knowing how to switch between them during a meeting can make a big difference in how you present yourself. Maybe one camera has better lighting, or you want to switch to a different angle. The good news is, you can do this directly inside Microsoft Teams in just a couple of clicks. First, make sure you're already in a meeting or call in Microsoft Teams. You should see the meeting toolbar, usually along the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your layout. On this toolbar, look for the camera icon that controls your video. Right next to this camera icon, there's a small arrow or chevron. This arrow is important because it opens the list of video devices available on your computer. Go ahead and click that arrow next to the camera icon. When you click it, Teams will display a small menu showing all the cameras that your system currently detects. This could include your laptop's built-in camera, any USB webcams you've plugged in, and sometimes software-based or virtual cameras if you have those installed. Take a moment to look through this list. If you don't see the camera you expect, make sure it's properly connected and turned on, and that any necessary drivers or software are installed. You might also want to close other apps that could be using the camera, since only one application can usually access a webcam at a time. Now, to change your camera, simply click on the name of the device you want to use from that list. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Teams will switch your video feed to that camera. You should see the change right away in your own preview window, and for everyone else in the meeting, it's a good idea to check your framing and lighting after switching. Make sure your face is centered, you're clearly visible, and there's nothing distracting in the background. If it doesn't look quite right, you can open the same camera menu again and choose a different device until you're happy with the result. And that's all you need to do. By using the small arrow next to the camera icon, you can quickly switch between any available cameras during a Microsoft Teams meeting without leaving or interrupting the call.